To pick a lock, you'll need a tension wrench, which will turn the lock, and a pick, which will pop the pins inside of the lock so that it can be turned. If you don't have professional lock-picking tools, you can pull the end of a paper clip out to form a 90-degree angle with the rest of the clip, or use the bumpy end of a bobby pin for your pick. For the tension wrench, you can use a flathead screwdriver or bend a paper clip into a single length and fold it in half to make it thicker. First, insert the tip of your tension wrench into the bottom of the lock. Push it in far enough that it catches in the grooves of the lock, so you can turn it once the lock is released. Then, insert your pick into the top of the lock while holding your tension wrench in place. To pick the lock, slide the pick underneath the first pin, which will be the first obstacle in the top of the lock, and push it all the way up. Then, work your pick forward a little until you reach the second pin. Jiggle your pick up and down until you get underneath the second pin, then lift it up. Repeat this process for every pin in the lock until the tension wrench turns and opens the lock.